I never know how it's going to come out.
At my gate I'll always greet you. At my door you're welcome in. There can be no transgression as a means to an end. On the wind the wolves are howling, open arms are close in fear. Helping hands are clenched in anger, broken hearts beyond repair. Everything's so great, can't get better. Makes me want to cry. And I'll go out now. Let the moon tonight. There she stands, so tall and mighty, with a keen and watchful eye, and the heart of a mother holding out her God life. It's a hard road to travel, sold rock from end to end. The sun it rises on her brow and sets upon the great span. Everything's so great, can't get better. Makes me want to cry. But I'll go out now, let the moon tonight. She stands so tall and mighty, her gaze facing the east. At her back our doors are closing as we grin and bare our teeth. On the wind the wolves are howling, she cries they're drawing near. Well, turn around, my darling, no, the wolves are near. Everything's so great, can't get better. Makes me want to cry. But I'll go out now, let the moon tonight. Yeah, I'll go out now, let the moon tonight.
Da da da. Da da da. Da, 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 da. That's all I can do. I don't. God bless everybody.